Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before you start, make sure you subscribe and turn the bell and give me a big thumbs up. So I just got back from Disney. I did my haul for Disney, and this video is probably gonna go out the day that I post my other video. And today I cannot wait. I'm going to be restocking my mini fridge and my mini fridge, a snack drawer. And so I'm picking out my organizers right now, and so come with me. So I already fit one organizer, and here's this acrylic organizer. And I have this to tackle, which has a couple organizers in it, and it could not hurt to take them out. So watch me struggle for like 5 minutes. Just come out, come out, come out. We got one, another one. We need a skinny one. Oh, perfect, it's right here. Okay, skinny one. Okay, and then now, come here, come with me. Come. Oh, I just stepped on something. Okay, we have those two, which they don't really have anything in them. They just have like yarn in one of them, which can come out. Okay, so then here's my organizers. Okay, now that we have the organizer problem solved, they kind of fit. Okay, we need to rearrange them the way that we like them. Okay. So we can't use this one. It's like too small and it doesn't really fit. So here's how we're working with. I mean, I kind of like that space. So let me grab my snacks. So we have some optionated juice. We have snack bags that they left me. So I kind of got carried away with the snacks. That's okay, because snacks are good. Relax. Okay, so starting off strong, we have these little coffee candies that I have, and these are like so bomb. Entire organizer. Okay. Next we have these jelly mochi candies. These stink. But they actually kind of smell like fruit. Okay, so I have to check which ones because I'm allergic to one of them. Oh shoot, I'm not. Mingo. What's this one? Passion fruit. Sorry, I'm like looking. Mango. Okay, these are good. Passion fruit. Passion fruit. Mango. But there's actually none of the lychees in there. Yay! Mango and one with the bigger organizers. That's okay. And I think these ones are too. These are the cute ones. Yeah, these are bigger. Okay, that filled up some of the bigger organizers. Okay, and then the last one we're gonna have just like sweets. So we have like Tic Tacs, gum, chocolate coins, and then we have a couple snacks in here. Snack mix, but this is from the plane, and I actually really like this. I don't know why, it's just really yummy. Okay, and then I'm going to put this glass in my fridge, but look at how good it is. Yummy, yummy, yum. Okay, and then in here. Okay, I'm not gonna put water in here because sometimes I'll forget about what's in my fridge, but I am gonna put that chilled glass in there. And I'm gonna put my chocolate coins in here. Okay, we're gonna try a different approach. Okay, that looks better.